Now that you have the AV-30 and the AV-Link connected to ForeFlight, you can now use your integrated Trio, TruTrak, or S-TEC Autopilot. I will show you in this video how to set this up. Once everything is confirmed and working on the previous video, we will now show you how to set it up in the Autopilot.
Whether that's Trio, TruTrak, or S-TEC. In this video, I'll show you how to configure the Autopilot portion. So first, you're going to confirm everything from video 1 about the ForeFlight connection and your flight plan functions. This is where we left the video, where we added our own waypoint. So we're going to pretend we're fine. We'll show some video from flights that we've done previously with the Autopilot. What you're going to want to do to prepare for your setup, set up the Autopilot on the AV-30. So one of the main things you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set the set altitude. So we'll go ahead and get over to this page right here, and we'll do the set altitude. We'll go over here, distance altitude, set altitude. And then what you're going to want to do is you'll set up your Autopilot. So you turn your Autopilot on. And our Autopilot gets its GPS from our GPS 175. So make sure that you're getting that information, or however you have that, your Autopilot set up, it's going to have the normal information. The main difference that you're going to do is once the Autopilot is enabled and turned on, what you're going to want to do is get into the set altitude. So if you're going to be climbing or descending, make sure that is set by the push set menu. So your heading bug, we're going to go ahead and pull our heading bug back to the direction we're going. And then what we're going to do, make sure source select is ForeFlight. Set altitude is correct. And then what we're going to do is the Autopilot, we're going to change from heading bug in this feature right here, and we're going to change it over to ForeFlight. Once that happens, you're going to see the Autopilot start turning to the waypoint that you have set in ForeFlight. And that's how easy it is to set up ForeFlight with your Autopilot. Now we have the flight path there. And so if we wanted to go to Eureka, we would just choose that. We have it on here.
Yes.
So the other thing we could do, we could turn on the Autopilot if we want to intercept that.
Yeah, we could do that. But I see some terrain up here, so what I would do here is, because I'm seeing terrain and I need to adjust it, we're going to drag that line so that it readjusts. That gives me a new heading, so I can turn towards that new heading.
We want to get in here first and tell it what the Autopilot is off right now. And so we're going to want to do GPSS, actually ForeFlight. There we go. And now we can turn it on. It'll be a little bit better. And you press the center button to turn it on. External heading. There we go. And you can see all the different bugs that we have here. And this is our heading bug. So it's not following the heading bug because we're not in heading mode. If we wanted to turn to that, we could go to the last setting on the Autopilot and tell it heading mode. But right now we picked ForeFlight, so it's following ForeFlight. So, and if we wanted to bring this, I don't know, we decided we wanted to go, maybe we want to go back to GPI, right? Let's go, okay. Heading bug that we could adjust. If we want to, you just push and hold it when you're on heading bug and it'll slow it to where we're at.
So now it's intercepting this line.
Right, so if that's not where we want to go, maybe we want to go back to, we want to go off of ForeFlight. And we want to go in heading mode, because then we're going to look at the heading bug. So we'll go back to heading bug, and now we can just control the heading bug and decide where we want to go. So if we want to turn to the south, so go ahead and control the Autopilot then with that heading bug.
So now obviously we're going off course because we're using the heady bug. So we also have this ability to change the heady bug now on here. So you can control the heady bug from here, or you can control it from here.
Oh, that's nice.
Gotta click it again, and now you got the heady bug.
That's so nice.
So if you want to re-engage the autopilot, this is how you would do it. So we got source select. Actually, I guess it's that option is not here. We'd have to go back to there to do the nope, it's here. Sorry. So here you could go back to ForeFlight Autopilot. It's going to now turn us to re-intercept to go back to GPI.